Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to learn how to soft reset your Frameo digital frame to fix the common glitches. So this particular method is safe and it does not delete your photos or your data. So if your frame is lagging, frozen or not loading the photos properly, you can just simply start with the basic restart. For that, you just have to go to the settings on your frame. Now, when you are inside the settings, you just have to look for the option of the backup and reset. Now, inside backup and reset, you will find the option of reset. When you tap on it, it will ask for the confirmation. So you just have to press the reset button and the device is going to restart. Now, if the problem is still there, you can do a power reset. For that, you just have to first of all plug the frame from the power source. After that, you just have to do nothing but to just wait for at least 30 seconds. Then after 30 seconds, you just have to plug it back in and then simply turn it on. This is going to help you clear the small system glitches and also improve the performance. Now here on your frame, you can also take a look at this particular reset button. When you press this reset button or this power button, you just have to wait for at least 10 to 15 seconds and then you just have to basically wait for it to restart completely. Now, if the photos are not syncing properly, make sure that you check the Wi-Fi connection. For that, inside the settings, you will find the option of Wi-Fi. So over here, you just have to reconnect with your network. Also, restart the Frameo application on your phone. This usually fixes most of the connection and the sending related issues. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.